Today, I'm going to show you the most effective and easiest way to learn how to equalize your ears. This is also known as the Frenzel Equalization technique. My name is Dan Parsons. I'm a freediving instructor trainer and owner of Freediving Central. This channel is all about tips, tricks, all the fun stuff and everything you need to know about freediving. Let's jump straight into it. First, what I'm going to do is break it right down in a super simple way, and then we'll put it all together. The first thing I want you to do is make this sound with your tongue. Have a go. Pretty simple, right? Next step, I want you to pinch your nose and then make the sound. When you do it, make sure that sound is nice and loud. That way you will feel a nice big pop in your ears. It'll look like this. Have a go now. Now that we have the hang of that, we're going to start referring to this tongue position as the T equalization. Believe it or not, there is method to our madness and we have names for everything. Next, I want you to place your tongue in the same position for making the T equalization sound. I want you to build pressure as though you were going to make the T equalization sound. Once that pressure is built, I then want you to push your tongue to the roof of your mouth. You will feel a nice, clean Frenzel equalization. It'll look like this. I place my tongue in the T position. I pinch my nose. I then build pressure. Once that pressure is built, I push my tongue to the roof of the mouth. Nice and simple. If that way is not working for you, another method that we use is the marshmallow trick. Imagine having a marshmallow on the middle or the back half of your tongue. Whilst pinching your nose, I want you to crush that marshmallow against the roof of the mouth. See if you get a pop. Pretty simple, right? Let me know in the comments below what method worked best for you. The goal when performing the Frenzel Equalization is that we don't want to be engaging the diaphragm at all. You can practice these methods whilst placing your hand over your stomach just below your ribs and making sure that you're not engaging the diaphragm whilst equalizing. If you're someone that had only one ear equalize or you didn't even get a pop at all, stay tuned for our next video on equalization problem solving. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that bell and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below so I can answer them. I'll see you in the next video when we talk about equalization problem solving.